Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce for you regarding the AutoCount additional plugin module. It's called Inventory Stagings module and Stock Adjustment module. For instance, you can see this is the handheld data collector and with the built-in Windows CE. So later on we will show you the AutoCount, this one the plugin module inside this Windows CE and doing the scan items later. Okay, so for instance, now we move on to the backend. Okay, this is the AutoCount backend system. You can actually go to the let's say I go to supplier and I do it the purchase order as usual. Let's say you do it the purchase order, you can choose your vendor name and call whatever the product you will order with your supplier. Okay, assume that this one I already order 40s and this one I order the other 30. So once complete, you can save accordingly. So this is the normal step. After you done, you send the purchase order to your vendor. So after you done the purchase order, we can move on to the data collector. So now we go into the data collector. This is the Windows CE function. So now I log into the App Center. Okay, so from here you can see this is the apps I already downloaded before for the AutoCount additional stock control plugin. Okay, so for first time we have to do some connection setting. So you can set your IP address, port numbers, database name, and try to check the connectivity. So if connection okay, you can just press OK and click save. And now we go into the scan. So for first time also we need to click the synchronizations to make sure all the items were synchronized to this device. Click sync, yes. Okay, the device already synced. I just press OK and close the screen for synchronizations. So now we're ready for do the transactions. So now I'm going to show you is regarding the good received notes. So I click on the okay, let's go receive notes for the PO. This is called inventory stagings. So from here you can go into the pick up the what we call that the purchase number over here. You can choose the purchase order number, and from here you can click the information to check what is the PO items. So you'll notice that the item code and the description is right here, and also you can check the balance quantity for each item. So once done, you can close. Okay, now I'm going to scan the items. Okay, I click on code, then I bring my products. I do the scanning. Okay, I scan ready for this one. Let me input the quantity. Assume that the quantity I input right now is I received 10. Then, okay, then I enter. So 10 will be post. Okay, then I click post. Yes. Okay, so let's say for same PO I got the other items. I can call back the same PO again. Now I got the other pen. Right now I want to scan. Okay, so I scan and put in the quantity. Let's say this one I received 5 and I click post. Sorry, I need to key in quantity and post. Oh, okay, try to rescan. Just now the item is up. Okay, enter with the quantity. The item detail will be appear. I click post. Okay, once I complete the PO right here, you can check again the PO status. Notice that the quantity will be reduced accordingly. Just now 40 become 30, this one become 25. Okay, all right, so this is the how we practice and do it on the data collector. Now we close this one and move back to the back end. So from the back end you can see the stock control plugins right here, and from here you can see the good receive. can choose the creditors if you want, otherwise you can straight away click the inquiry. So all the purchase order you already scanned by using the data collector just now will be appear on the screen. So you will see that just now whatever scan the quantity will be appear right here. If you didn't do any changes, you can actually click the post to GR instantly, and the information will shift it to the good receipt notes. If everything correct, you just fill in some additional information such as the supply DO number, and you click on save button. So informations will turn into the good receipt. Okay, then now we do it one more additional functions or modules is called stock take adjustment. Okay, for stock take, and you can go to in the data collector. Okay, same, you can go to stock take. Okay, stock take functions. Okay, stock take functions right here. So straight from stock take function, you just pick up the locations right here, and if you got cell number you can scan, otherwise you can move on to the code. Let's say I want to scan for this one. Okay, so I try to input the quantities. Let's say after I scan, I notice that in my store for this particular item I got 23. Okay, so I try enter. So if everything okay, you can straight away post. Yes, so already post, press OK. Now we move back to the back end again. Click on stock control, stock take. I click on new inquiry. Same, the quantity will be filled up. So from here you can see the quantity I scanned just now is how much, and how many quantity you have to do the adjustment. So if this is the adjustment you want to do, you can click post the stock adjustment. System will do it automatically. What you need to do is just verify again. If everything correct, you click on save. Stock take haven't saved. Do you want to save the stock take record? Yes. So this is how we do it, the stock take functions inside the stock take module. And the last one I would like to show is regarding the staging for the customer side. Showing that let's say now I want to do the sales order. I call up the customer and pick the items would like to do the order. Let's say customer order 10, and so for this one pen is 10, and I click on save. Okay, once you complete, when you want to do the delivery order, when you, normally we use the back end to issue DO, but to do the verifications, you can actually using the data collector also. So now I move back to the data collectors. Okay, so assume that now I want to do for sales order. Okay, this is called order picking. You can click on order picking and choose the sales order number. You can find here. Similar like just now the GRN function, you can click on the inquiry. You can see the balance quantities on your SO. Okay, let's say now I start to scan. Okay, scan this product, and I put in the quantity. Okay, then I post it. I think I scan the second item first. Okay, second item, assume that also 10. Okay, so once complete, I can click post. Yes, so the two record will be posted. Press OK. So now we move back to the back end again. Click on stock control, order picking. From here, you call up the customer to choose an inquiry. You just notice that just now whatever you scan on the data collector will be appear right here. So what you need to do is just confirm the quantity is correct and post the DO. so you no need to manually key in DO again, so information will be appear instantly, and then you just click on save. Okay, this is how to verify the sales order. That's all for my video today. Anything you want to have an inquiry, please visit our Facebook, or you can visit our website also. Thank you.